first thing you're going to want to do when uploading products to your store, once you've logged into the back end of your store, you need to go down to the left-hand navigation here. This will have all of your options that are available to you. Some of you will have more, some will have less, depending on the complexity of your website. So in this case, we're going to go down to products. You simply just click on products on the left-hand menu, and that will open up the product menu. This will allow you to add products, add categories, add tags to search for the products, shipping classes, and attributes for products. We won't get into a couple of these things in this tutorial because we just want to make it just teaching you how to simply add a product. To add a simple product to your store, you just simply click on the Add Product in the menu. Now this will bring you to a screen where you're going to create a product name. So in this box you're going to create the product name, and it will allow you to add a description. This is your description. You can also add images to your description. So say you have a spec chart or something you'd like to upload to display with your product information. You can do that simply by clicking Add Media, and that's going to open this uploader up. This will allow you to either select files from your computer or use a file that's already uploaded to your website. So if you've already uploaded it once and it's the same one over and over again, you can just use your media library and select it by clicking on it. That's going to put the checkbox on there, and then simply insert into product details, and you'll see it puts the image in there. And we're not going to leave that in there, we're just showing you an example here. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come down to your product data. Product data is going to be your basic information about your product. SKU numbers, which is optional. Your regular price, sale price if you have two different ones. Also allows you to schedule a sale if you choose to. Just click the date picker button there, and you can say you want it to run from the 26th through to the 28th. It'll run those 2 days, and then it'll take the product off sale. So that gives you a little bit of an advanced sales system. The next option is going to be inventory. If you want to have a stock level and have it controlled, you just simply click on the inventory tab. This will bring up this option. You enable stock management at the product level. What that means is you want to enter a number of products that you have for this. So if this isn't a physical product, you'll want to enter, like if you have 12 of them, you'll want to put 12. And then you'll say whether or not it's in stock or out of stock, and whether or not to allow back orders. Now, after you've done that, if you have a category that it's under, so say you have multiple products in multiple categories, you'll need to select a category to associate the product to. If you don't see the category listed, you'll need to add a new product category. You just click Add New Product Category, just type your product category in here, and then you would click Add New Product Category, but we're not going to add one here. Just wanted to be able to show you. You can also add as a parent category, a parent product category, sorry. As you can see, we have airport limousine pickup here, meet and greet service. If you want this to be a child of that, you would just simply select it to be a child, which means airport limousine pickup would be the primary that it would land on, and then the child would be the new category. Pretty straightforward, basic product and category information. Product tags are used for searching for the product. So the search bar that you see on your site, if you want to associate this product with certain search terms, you would just simply type those in there. So let's say we wanted this product to show up when we look for balloons. We're going to use balloons as a tag, and then we just simply add balloons as a tag. And like I said, those are just to help with search terms. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to decide whether or not you have multiple images for that product. If you do, just add it to a product gallery. To add it to a product gallery, simply click the Add Product Gallery Images. Again, it will bring you to this media uploader where you can choose to upload the file or use your media library of existing images already on your website. Then you just click Add to Gallery. In this case, we're not adding anything into the gallery. To add a product image, this will be the main product image, the image that will appear with your product. You would just simply click Set Featured Image. Now, if you're getting this from your media library again, you would use this right here and click Media Library, select your image, and set as featured image. If you select the wrong one, don't worry, you can just remove it, and that will bring up the Set Featured Image option again. Click Set Featured Image, and let's say we want to upload one, simply click Upload, and then you would select the files from your computer. We're not going to add one here. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to, you're going to want to publish this, which means you're going to make this visible on your website. If you click publish, that means it's going to be listed on your website. You can also click save draft. Save draft just says, I have this product information, but I'm not ready to display it on my store yet. I just want to save this as draft and come back and edit it later. You would just click save draft. Now, if you'd like to see what you currently have, you simply click preview, and this will open up a new tab that will give you a preview of the information that you've input. Now, once you've done this and you have you've entered all your product information, and if you're ready, you would just click publish. Once you publish it, like I said, it is visible on your website, and you would still be able to come back and edit the details simply by just going back over here to your products, and you would go to your product. You see our fake product here. You hover over the name, click edit. Now we are back inside of our product information, and we can change information as we see fit. If we want to add a different description, change the name, or we want to add different gallery images. We decided we now want 3 images. We're going to add some gallery images. You would go in here and select it, or change the main image for the product. Or let's say your price changed. You would just simply click this drop down right here, change your pricing information here. Oops. And then we'd want to again hit the blue button. Now, once you've published this to your website, it will no longer say publish, it will say update. It's just another option for save the information you're updating. And that's entering a product into WooCommerce. Thanks a lot.